We will start this video with daily time frame. This was the bottom and this was the top, and this is your trend. Fundamental reason behind this trend was coronavirus and quantitative easing, also known as money printing by central bank, because both European Central Bank and Fed are printing at the same time. When you draw Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, all of the 5 impulsive waves have been completed, and this is why it started this zigzag correction from here. And we said this trade plan when price was trading right here on this trading view post. It has also made this parallel channel. It has tested 3 times at the bottom, and it has been tested 2 times here upper trend line. This can be double zigzag, and it has made lower low, lower high, lower low, and below this resistance it is again making lower high, because this trend line has already tested 2 times, and now price is testing this trend line for 3rd time. Because until you understand this entire trend, you cannot trade here, because you will not know what is the trading psychology here, because trader of this trend has already taken profit. That is why this zigzag correction started. If this trend line break, then price will test the upper trend line, or if it does not break, then price will reverse right from here. It will make new lower low and test this lower trend line. Since this low here did not touch 38% retracement, which does not attract buyers, and major support here is near the 50% retracement. Technically is a perfect place to buy Euro USD, and at this base is also made a shape of head and shoulder. How price react to this support will define trend for this year. When you analyze entire trend on daily chart, you get clear picture what is happening, where are seller and where are buyers. Now you have 2 time frame on your screen, daily chart on left and H1 time frame on right. On daily time frame, the trend line after joining these 2 high and 61% retracement of this entire trend are exact same place. If this trend line does not break, then price will easily make new lower low, because this was lower high and this was your lower low, new lower low and lower high, and all of the seller will have their SL at this high, and they will anticipate new lower low. Why? We have already discussed this on daily chart, because this leg here is not like this, it is almost like a straight line. On 1 hour time frame, you can easily see price has made overextended trend inside this parallel channel. When you trade more than 1 time frame together, you always get clear picture what is happening, where the seller, where the buyer, and where you should take entry. Because if you try to take entry on this daily chart, you take entry here, put your SL here, and this will be your first profit target. but on H1 time frame you can sell right at the top and put your SL above this high. That is why multi time frame analysis is extremely important for day trader, intraday trader. Beginner trader lose lots of money because they do not use multiple time frame. TradingView free version does not allow you to use more than one time frame. To see two time frame at the same time, you will have to take premium version, and referral link is already in the description. When you sign up using that link, you get 1 month free. On daily time frame, you have your support here and here. If it does not make lower low, it will at least retrace back, because right here no one will buy. It will not attract new buyer unless this trend line break. So buyer will take their profit here and new seller will enter. Under both condition, it will retrace back and you will make money. Once this support breaks, it will be ready to make new lower low, and you will be done for this entire quarter. So this was multi-time frame analysis for Euro USD. If you want any other currency pair of your choice, you can tell us on comment. Subscribe this channel, join our Telegram and follow us on TradingView.